Okay, so let's talk about Skyrim for a second. It came out during Obama's first term, people.
Yeah.
It came out actually on 11/11/11, which is a very, very kind of, important day. All ones, that doesn't happen very often. But then what we did here was actually Skyrim VR, because I'm a VR enthusiast, but hardly ever tested it and stuff. But it's an older game, but it still holds up pretty well. So nice try, Bethesda. The Microsoft Teams pop-up that we have here. What do you think about Teams and these collaboration tools that are available for people now that we're all working in the cloud, working from home and remote?
From a business perspective, how secure is this app to use? And was the app even designed to be, with security in mind?
If we're going to be using these tools, since it's no longer optional, since it's now a mission critical part of how business is conducted, how do we make sure that that's secure from both an identity perspective? How are you logging into the environment? And then also the data that's flowing once it's in transit, is that always encrypted, or is it only sometimes encrypted if you've turned it on?
Right. There hasn't been the due diligence, when these solutions were rolled out to go through those use cases, to go through those scenarios where you're testing to see, who can access this and then what are they able to access.
That's right. That's right.
Suck it. Password length requirements.
Let's talk about password lengths.
Right.
What do you think about that?
There's still a need for using strong passwords. What I like to stress with passwords is length matters.
Now, what about like multi-factor authentication? We get the little codes and the passcodes on our phones and whatnot, or other things like Face ID on the Mac world, Windows Hello on the Windows side of the world. What about those technologies?
We're not really relying so much on the password anymore. We're relying on, something you have or something you can touch, right? So, or something you are.
That's right.
Right?
I think that concept, that approach is very, very encouraging, because their technology, for example, has proven to be very, very secure. But how do we get that out into the rest of the business world where these things get used so you affect more users and deliver a more positive experience while still maintaining that level of security that we expect? For VectorUSA, I'm Scott Bly, Customer Solutions Architect. We're here to help you with anything you need. Be sure to check out VectorUSA. We'll have links in the video below. Thanks for sticking around.